Hello, sir. What do you want?
I want some sugar.
How much sugar do you want?
I want 1 kilograms of sugar.
You have to pay rupees 40.
I don't have rupees 40. I think I have rupees 50.
It's okay, sir. You give me rupees 50 and I will give you rupees 10.
That is good.
Do you need something else?
Oh ho. I need a coconut oil.
Yes, there are 2 bottles. Which one do you want? Small one or big one? Small one is rupees 15 and big one is rupees 30.
Yes, I want the big one.
Okay, do you want some snacks? We also keep snacks in the food department.
Yeah, sure.
The big pack is rupees 20 and the small one is rupees 10.
No, I don't want the snacks.
Okay.
Can you please give me the bill?
Yes, sure. Here is your bill, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Have a nice day, sir.